Today, you woke up with that feeling of emptiness that follows you, a weight on your chest that seems to grow heavier each day. You try to ignore it to move on, but something insists, pokes at you, and won't let you forget. That person. Yes, the one who once meant so much to you, who suddenly left, leaving a void you still haven't been able to fill. And no matter how hard you try, it seems like the universe insists on reminding you of them, as if there's something unresolved, something that still needs to be said. You are here for a reason. It's not a coincidence that today, you've found this video. The signs are clear. There is a message you need to hear, a revelation that could change the course of your story, a hidden truth that will finally emerge. And I am going to tell you exactly what's coming. You've always wondered why things ended the way they did, why the universe allowed you both to drift apart. Maybe you blamed yourself for not acting differently, or even questioned whether you should have given another chance. But today, your angel is here to say that everything happened as it should, and a reunion might be closer than you think. This person has been on a journey of self-discovery, trying to understand the reasons for their own pain and regret. The longing has taken over their days and nights, and now they feel they can no longer ignore the feeling that still exists. You know that kind of love that seems not to die, that persists even through adversity? Well, that is exactly what is happening. And that's why the universe is conspiring to bring you back together. But the question is, are you ready to hear what this person has to say? Are you willing to open your heart to this truth that is coming your way? The decision to listen to this message or not is yours, but know that behind all of this, there is a much greater reason. Something beyond rational understanding, something that touches directly on the soul. What you need to understand is that life is made up of cycles, and often these cycles repeat so we can learn, grow, and maybe love again. This person, who carries a heavy weight of regret in their heart, is fighting against their own pride, trying to find the courage to reach out to you. He or she wants a second chance, wants you to know that there was a mistake, but there was also learning. And right now, as you listen to this message, the angels are preparing your heart for something bigger. They are whispering in your ear to have faith, to trust the process, to believe that everything that happened had a specific reason. This person feels they need to ask for your forgiveness, not just for you, but to free their own soul. And as complex as it all may seem, the universe is calling you on a journey of healing and reconciliation. This is your opportunity to finally understand why things happened the way they did. And more importantly, it is your chance to decide what comes next. Because the truth is that true love always finds a way back. You feel that there is something different in the air, a new vibration that envelopes your soul and your heart. It may seem like a coincidence, but it is not. In recent days, you may have noticed signs around you, songs that bring back memories, places that seem to whisper past stories, or even dreams that bring him back to your mind, as if the universe is trying to tell you something. And in fact, it is. This person from your past is not only thinking about you but is determined to find you. There is an intense desire for redemption, an almost desperate will to make right what went wrong. He or she is searching for the courage to come closer, to say all the things that were never said, to open their heart and expose the truth that has been hidden for so long. Maybe you're wondering why this person wants to come back now, after everything that happened. What you need to understand is that everyone has their own time to mature, to understand their own emotions and learn from their own mistakes. Sometimes, distance is necessary for souls to grow, strengthen, and perhaps find their way back to each other. The person who seeks you so intensely, who thinks about you so deeply, has gone through a great transformation. There is regret in every word they wish to say to you. They have realized they lost something very precious when you walked away, something they cannot find in anyone else. And now, their heart cries out for a new chance, an opportunity to do things differently. Your angels are telling you to be attentive to the signs. It could be that he or she appears suddenly, in an unexpected way, through a message, a casual encounter, or even a late-night phone call. You may feel a wave of confused emotions, unsure if you are ready to open the door you once decided to close. But remember, nothing happens by chance. This person wants to confess something important, a truth that has been kept all this time. And it is not easy for them. There is fear, there is apprehension of being rejected, of not being understood. But true love knows no limits. True love always finds a way to manifest, to fight for what truly matters. And that is exactly what is happening right now. Your guardian angel whispers in your ears to listen with an open heart. He knows that you have carried many hurts, that your trust has been shaken, and that it is hard to believe that someone who hurt you in the past can truly change. But what is at stake here is much greater than a simple reconciliation. It's about healing, it's about liberation, it's about finding forgiveness, both for yourself and for the other. You might be wondering if it's worth giving a chance, if it's right to let this person back into your life. And the answer, according to your angels, is within you. Forgiveness is one of the greatest gifts we can offer, not just to others, but especially to ourselves. When we forgive, we free ourselves from the chains of the past and make room for new blessings in our lives. This person feels a deep need to ask for forgiveness, to cleanse their heart and to correct what was left behind. And the universe, in its infinite wisdom, is bringing this opportunity to you so that you can decide what you want to do. It may be that by hearing this confession, you find new meaning, a new perspective, and perhaps a new beginning. Love is patient, it is kind, and it is never too late to try again. But it is up to you to decide if you are ready to open your heart and give it another chance. What is clear is that the universe is acting, and everything is aligning for this reunion to happen. Your angel is by your side, guiding every step, offering protection and wisdom. Prepare yourself, because the coming weeks may bring surprises you never imagined. Be attentive to the signs, the gestures, and the words that come to you. They are the answers that your heart has been seeking. Life is moving, and you are about to enter a new phase where forgiveness and love have the power to transform everything. As you prepare for this moment, it is important to understand that there are invisible forces working in your favor. Your angels are by your side, protecting your every step and ensuring that you have the clarity needed to make the right decision. The message they bring to you today is clear: trust the process, trust the path that is being laid out. Even if you do not understand it now, there is a divine purpose in every detail. This reunion is not just about settling unfinished business. It goes far beyond that. It is about a connection of souls, something that transcends time and space. It is as if somehow your souls made an agreement even before you were born, to meet in this life to live this experience, to learn something from one another. And now, the universe is giving you a golden opportunity to revisit this connection. Your angels want you to know that you are not alone. They have heard your prayers, your fears, your doubts. They are sending signs to comfort you, to show you that you are on the right path. You may be feeling a different energy in the air, a new vibration surrounding you. Do not ignore these feelings. They are a guide, a spiritual map leading you in the right direction. There is something very special about the energy between you and this person. Perhaps neither of you even completely understands what is happening, but there is a force that pulls you towards each other, as if you are magnets destined to meet, to understand, and to support each other. This is a moment of spiritual awakening, of seeing beyond appearances, of connecting with what truly matters. The universe is calling you to open yourself up to the new, to forgive what needs to be forgiven, and to release what needs to be released. This is not just about a person trying to re-enter your life. It is an opportunity for you to rediscover yourself, to understand how strong you have become and how far you have come. This is your chance to show the world and yourself that love can heal everything. Your angels also want to remind you of the importance of self-love. Above all, you need to love yourself, to value yourself, and to understand that you deserve the best. The person who is coming back needs to be able to offer you what you deserve. He or she must be ready to honor your presence and your worth. Your angels ask you not to accept anything less than that. And if you decide to open your heart again, do it with the certainty that you are doing it for yourself, for your own happiness and peace of mind. Do not let the fear of the past hold you back, but also do not be swayed by illusions. This is an invitation for you to align with the truth, with your truth. Allow yourself to hear what this person has to say, but do so from a place of empowerment, of confidence in who you are and what you deserve. Remember, no matter what happens, you are guided and protected. Your angels will be by your side, supporting you, sending signs of love and strength. You are stronger than you imagine, and the universe is conspiring for your greatest good. This journey is yours, and you have the power to decide how you will walk through it. The decision is in your hands. And no matter what your choice is, your angels want you to know that there will always be a path of light ahead of you. What really matters is what is in your heart, what you feel, and what you desire. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Now, close your eyes for a moment and ask your angels for guidance. Let them guide your heart. Let them show you the way. Feel their presence around you. Feel the love they are sending directly to your heart. This journey is yours, and you are deserving of all the happiness, love, and light the universe has to offer. Your angels want you to know that, regardless of your choice, you will always be surrounded by light and protection. Today's message is an invitation for you to open yourself to love and forgiveness, to allow the energies of the universe to flow through you, bringing clarity and healing. This is your opportunity to release what no longer serves you, to leave behind the pain, and to embrace a new beginning. Remember, there is no right or wrong decision. There is only the path your heart chooses to follow. Perhaps this person really has changed, has learned from their mistakes, and is ready to redeem themselves, to show you that they are capable of being the person you deserve to have by your side. Or maybe it is time to say goodbye, to close this chapter with gratitude for the lessons, but with the certainty that the future holds something even more beautiful for you. What matters is that you follow what you feel in your heart. Your angels encourage you to trust your intuition, to listen to that inner voice that always knows what is best for you. If you feel you should forgive, forgive. If you feel it is time to move on, move on. But do it with conviction, with love, and with the certainty that you are being guided toward your highest good. The decision to open your heart again or move forward is yours alone. But remember, no matter what you choose, you have the universe's full support. True love begins within you. When you love yourself, you attract the love you deserve. Do not be afraid to be true to yourself, to honor your feelings, and to seek what makes you happy. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself, say out loud, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. If this message touched your heart, leave a positive comment below to inspire others who may be in need of a little light and encouragement. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let us lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now so you don't miss the next important message waiting for you. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.